I put it on the floor of my kitchen because that's a great place for me to show you how it comes packaged. It comes well strapped up for strength in packaging while it's being shipped. And I opened the box. After I opened the top, I wanted to take the box out from the outside. So I cut all the straps off to open it like an onion. Inside the box, the toilet was well nestled in very thick styrofoam as one solid cube for shipping. I took the styrofoam off layer by layer, and within one layer was a user and installation manual. I didn't have to go hunting for that. It was right there. And on top was a guide for measurement, so I faced it towards the camera so you can see what that looks like. This is a great template you're going to use when installing your toilet. Especially important is a cutout where the drainage hole to your sewer system will go. I wanted to show you some details on the illustrations. They were fantastic. The installation directions on this template was so handy to use. The toilet came wrapped in plastic very well so it wouldn't get scratched during shipping. There are many layers of wrapping around the toilet that I took off.